guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a 2.4 multi-air engine guys, and if you have a Jeep Cherokee, Compass guys, or Jeep Renegade with that engine and you're trying to find the Serpentine belt diagram, stay with us and we'll show you guys the Serpentine belt diagram. Now, we guys have more than probably 100 videos on that engine alone. We got the engine out of the car so we can show you everything with the great details. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. If you guys need to buy new belt, new pulleys or anything like that, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let's start on the process now. So this is the new belt that we'll be installing now guys, and we'll show you what you need to do. Let me show you quick what you have here. This is your crankshaft pulley guys, right there. Water pump pulley, this is your tensioner pulley, idle pulley, AC compressor, alternator. Now the tensioner pulley, okay, when you want to install the belt you get a 16mm socket guys, okay, and you're going to go counterclockwise and you can see how it moves, okay, like that. And we'll need to move it so we can install the belt. So we get the belt now guys, okay, and most of you will remove it but they won't pay attention, and I'm that way too, how to install it later or you forget. You start on the crankshaft pulley, you go to the AC compressor guys. From the AC compressor, okay, you're going to go to the idle pulley right there. From the idle pulley we're going to go to the alternator, and from the alternator, okay, we go up to the water pump. From the water pump we go to the tensioner. Now what I'll do, I'll remove it from the idle pulley and we'll install it on the tensioner now. Okay, like that. Because that way we can install it now on the engine. Check it out, we go counterclockwise and we can install the belt. Now that belt is not long enough to remove it from the alternator or install it on the alternator. The only option will be to install it on the idle pulley. You cannot do it on the tensioner because you will not be able to reach the bolt. So this is guys the diagram, check it out now. From the alternator to the idle pulley, from the idle pulley to the AC compressor, crankshaft, tensioner pulley, water pump comes back to the alternator. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that issue. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.